Alright friends, now let's do a nice exercise using we have learned so far. So we are going to combine everything we know into a simple and meaningful project. So let's ask the user to enter a positive number, and then the loop will keep going as long as they enter positive values. As soon as they enter a negative number, the loop will stop and we will calculate the total of all numbers entered by the user. Okay, let's delete all. What I need to do, I need to calculate the sum. So for doing this, I say sum, integer sum, I define it. And then I say sum equals to 0 at the beginning. I give initial value. Okay, what I need to do, I need to ask the user to enter a number. So that's why I create a scanner object to read user input. So I come here, I say scanner, and then I'm giving the name of my object, I say input, and then I say new scanner. So inside this, I say system.in. Okay. And then I give my message to the user. I say system.out.print. I use print because I want they appear on the same line. So I say enter a number. Okay. And then I come here. I define a number here. I say number, integer number, and then number equals to whatever user enter. So I use input object, and then inside the scanner class I have next int method. I use it and I am taking value from the user. Okay. So what's the condition? As long as user enter a positive value, the loop should continue. So I open my while loop. I open it. So inside while loop, my condition is if the number is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, I'm inside the while loop. So what I need to do, I need to calculate the sum, the addition. So I say sum equals to sum plus number. I ask user here number, so sum is 0 at the beginning. So 0 plus number, sum becomes number. So I ask user again to enter a number. So that's why I copy these and I come here, I say enter a number as you see. So when it continues, while the number is positive, it continue take a number from the user. And I add this number to the sum. That's all. So for example, when I enter negative values, -5, I'm checking -5 is greater than or equals to 0. No. So while loops ends. That's the logic. So I come here. What I need to do, I need to print the sum. I say system.out.println, and then I say sum. I use plus operator, and then I print my sum variable. Okay. So let's run it. Enter a number. I say 5. So enter a number. You see it's a positive number, and it asks me again. Program asks me again. I give 6. Program asks me again. So I give 7. You see it continues until I give negative number. For example, I give negative number -5. You see program ends. And the sum of these three numbers, 5, 6, and 7, is 18, as you see. So I can modify it a little bit. So I can make it like that. I run it again. You see 3, 4, and 5, and then -3, for example. I added 3, 4, and 5. You see the addition of this 3 is 12. Super.